log in your WordPress dashboard, then click on appearance and then themes, and now click add new theme and then click upload theme and choose file. You select your theme where you downloaded before and select the theme, then open, then click install now button and the theme will be installed. Start, wait for some time. Now click on activate button and wait for some time. Okay, now you can see some plugin here you should install. So you install this plugin. Okay, go to install plugin, then install all the plugins from here one by one. I will show you install plugin, how to install plugin. You should install all the plugin. Okay, this is the last plugin. Okay, all the plugin are installed. Now check the site. Okay, this is our default theme. uh, you should import demo data, and I will show you how to demo data in next video. Thank you, bye.